Break up.
Did Emma and Jack really break up?
Yes, they split up last month. Call off.
Did they decide to call off the picnic?
Yes, they called it off because of the rain. Look after.
Did Tom agree to look after the dog?
Yes, I'll look after him, of course. Look for.
Are you looking for your keys?
Yes, I'm looking for them, but I can't find them. Pick up.
Can you pick up some groceries?
Sure, I'll collect them on my way home. Turn on.
Can you turn on the lights?
Yes, I'll turn them on now. Turn off.
Can you turn off the room light?
Yes, I'll turn it off now. Put on.
What should I put on for the party?
Yes, wear that beautiful dress. Take off.
Should I take off my shoes?
Yes, please take them off before entering. Take out.
Can you take out the trash?
Yes, I'll take it out in a minute. Get up.
What time do you usually get up?
I usually rise at 7 a.m. Check in.
Can you check in at the hotel now?
Yes, I can check in at 3 p.m. Check out.
When do you need to check out of the hotel?
I need to check out by 11 a.m. Turn up.
Did she turn up for the meeting?
No, she did not arrive on time. Put off.
Did they put off the wedding?
Yes, they postponed it due to illness. Hold on.
Can you hold on for a moment?
Yes, I'll hold on until you're ready. Bring back.
Did you bring back the library books?
Yes, I brought them back yesterday. Look up.
Can you look up that word?
Sure, I'll search for it. Run out of.
Did we run out of milk?
Yes, we ran out of it this morning. Wake up.
When do you usually wake up?
I awaken early. Get along.
Do you get along with your neighbors?
Yes, we get along quite well. Turn down.
Did they turn down your job application?
Yes, they rejected it. Look forward to.
Are you looking forward to the vacation?
Yes, I'm really looking forward to it. Call back.
Will you call me back?
Yes, I'll definitely call you back. Turn up.
Can you turn up the music?
Sure. I'll turn it up right now. Give up.
Did you give up on your dreams?
No, I'm still chasing them. Set up.
Are you planning to set up a new business?
Yes, I'm working on a business plan. Bring in.
Did you bring in a new policy at work?
Yes, we implemented a new remote work policy. Look out.
Should I look out for traffic?
Yes, always be cautious when crossing the street. Go on.
Will the show go on despite the rain?
Yes, it will continue. Get over.
Have you got over the fever?
Yes, I have recovered from it. Turn in.
Did you turn in your assignment on time?
Yes. I submitted them. Find out.
Did you find out more about the topic?
Yes, I discovered new information. Point out.
Can you point out the mistakes?
Yes, I can indicate them. Run into.
Did you run into an old friend?
Yes, I met him unexpectedly. Make up.
Did they make up after the argument?
Yes, they apologized and made peace. Go out.
Shall we go out for dinner?
Sure, I'd love that. Carry out.
Are they going to carry out the plan?
Yes, they will execute it. Show up.
Did he show up at the party?
No, he did not appear. Get by.
Is it hard to get by on a low income?
Yes, it's tough to survive. Run away.
Did John run away?
Yes, he fled after an argument with his parents. Take in.
Can you take in what I just said?
Yes, I understand. Drop off.
Will you drop off the package?
Yes, I'll deliver it to the post Let down.
Did you let your team down?
No, I didn't disappoint them. Take off.
Did the plane take off on time?
Yes, it departed from the airport on time. Take off.
Did her career take off?
Yes, she became successful. Break down.
Did your car break down?
Yes, it stopped working. Go over.
Did you go over the presentation one more time?
Yes, I reviewed it thoroughly. Look into.
Did you look into the matter?
Yes, I investigated it thoroughly.